Hi guys, are you interested in knowing how this hoodie set was made without drafting a pattern? Then you should stick to the end of this tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, kindly click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. So guys, for this tutorial we'll be needing our tape rule, chalk, scissors, and our fabric. So we already have this fabric here, which is 26 by 10 inch for the top part. So now we'll be taking our measurement, our shoulder measurement, which is 7.5 inch, our armhole, which is 8, and our bust, which is 8.5 inch. Our waist is going to be 7.5 inch. Now for our hip, which is going to be 9.5 inch. Now we are going to connect our lines. Now we are joining our armhole to make our armhole curve. So now for the neck width, we are using 3 inch by 3 inch depth. So now we make a curve. Now remember to cut out your back, which is 1 inch. Cut it out first. Then our shoulder slant, we are removing 1 inch too. Now we are going to cut the others. I want the side of the shirt to have a curve, so I'm going to be cutting about 1.5 inch away from that side to make a curve. There we have it. Now I'm going to be removing the back part of the shirt so I can cut the front neckline. So there we're cutting it out. So guys, this is what it looks like. Now we are keeping that aside and it's time to cut the sleeve. So I already have this piece I folded in two. So I'm going to make my armhole curve and then the hand. Now reel it out and cut it out. So there we have our sleeve. Now I'm going to notch it. Now it's time for the hoodie. So I have this piece that I'm going to be using for the hoodie. This is about 13 inch length and I'm going to be needing 10 inch width. So I'm going to be cutting that out. So now guys, it's time to cut the shape of the hoodie. Just watch what I'm doing. Watch the way I'm forming the shape of the hood. Yay! As you can see, I have the shape of my hoodie now. So I'm going to be using this to cut another part for the same hoodie because I want it to be a double hoodie with two colors. I want a hoodie with two colors. So now as you can see, I have 1.5 inch. I left 1.5 inch at the front. Now I'm going to be cutting it out. I'll be using the white as a pattern for the second one. So yeah, I have it, my hoodie. So now this is the sleeve, the hoodie, and also the shirt bodies. Now you know how we do our t-shirt. I'm going to go to the machine and join my t-shirt and the sleeve, and then I'll be back to show you how to join your hoodie. So guys, my shirt is already joined, already sewed it together. So now it's time to sew the hoodie. So I'm going to take it to the machine and sew it round like that. So now I've sewed the two ends of the hoodie. Now I'm going to be placing it right side together. Place it right side together and sew the left side that is visible. I'll place it right side together, go to the machine and sew the left side together. Now take to the machine and be back in a jiffy. So guys, I'm done doing that. As you can see, now I'm going to be turning it out. So this is what we have. This is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go and top stitch both together, and then join the front like so. So it will be easy to fix on the t-shirt. So after fixing, joining the front like so, this is what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to take the neck of my shirt. I'll turn the hood to the left side and then place it right side to the front of the shirt and then sew it round. So guys, I'm done doing that. As you can see, our hoodie is ready. As you can see, so now it's time to hem the sleeve and also the down part of the shirt. So I'll take it to the hemming machine and hem it. Then I'll be back. So guys, I'm done hemming and also ironing my t-shirt. As you can see, this is what we have. The sleeve and also the end of the t-shirt is well hemmed. So guys, this is what we have after everything. So this is it. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you again for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.